Hello guys, this is Farhan from Graphic and Art by Farhan. So welcome back to the basic video editing series. This is the last video of the series. So I wanted to thank you all for watching it. And today I'll be showing you how to export your video and more. So this is our video that we worked on recently. So if you just go to now finish video, it won't. So what you need to do is, if you see this box over here, click it and then click the next one, then the next one, and then the next one. Make sure you have this sign on the first footage, title card, or whatever it is. As long as you have that, the video will remain perfect. But if you have it on here, then the video will export from this video to the last one. So make sure you have on the first one. So now we're gonna go to finish video. And if you hover over the finished video, it'll say export a shareable video file. Click it, and in finish your video, it would say video quality high 108p. This is recommended. And there's medium 720p, then low 540p, and 540p is the smallest file size they have in video editor. Go with the recommended one, and if you go to more options, you'll see the box written use hardware accelerated encoding. Exporting faster. Try turning pink or colored glitches in exported videos. So sometimes what happens is, if you export a video, pink or colored come in. So if you see those, turn this off, but I'm going to turn it on now. Click export. And on the location bar, I want to go to so after you've exported, it'll show here's the video you created. Show, and there are two menus saying show in folder, video export issues. Let's fix it. It'll give you a preview of the video. Let's watch it. So I'm going to close it. And if you click on this three dot icon and if you hover over it, it'll say see more. Click it. There is duplicate project, backup project, themes, landscape, send feedback, settings. Now if you go to duplicate project, it'll say make a copy of this project. Choose a name for the copy, like basic video editing copy. If you click OK, it'll duplicate your project. And if you go to backup project, it'll say backup your project to use somewhere else. We'll put this project and all the media you've added to it in files so you can use it on another PC. And if you go to choose backup location, it'll open your file explorer, and wherever you want to keep it, you can keep it. I'm not gonna. And if you go to themes, this box will show up, and there's written set a theme. Unify your video with filters, music, and textiles. Currently there is no theme, but if you go to adventure, you can see what it adds. And you can set the volume to whatever you want. I'm gonna go with 70. As you see, they've added some video of their own and some images to make it look cool. And if you add one of them like classic, it'll say changing theme. If you start it, you'll see. Well, they've added music, so it's like this. I'm gonna go to cancel. Go to Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. There it's back to normal. And if you go to landscape, you'll see the landscape is 16.9. If you go to for 3, it'll shorten it up. So if you go to YouTube, you can see some videos that landscapes are too short and the video too short. Let's see. And I'm sure you've noticed by now that there are black bars. If you go to remove black bars, it'll zoom in again. But I'll go to shrink to fit. Just like that. And if you go to make portrait, it'll make him like this. And then if you go to make landscape, it'll get back to normal. I think I like this, so I'm going to export this, but first we're gonna go to settings. If you go to settings, there's the usual settings there. So I'm going to export this screen. There you go. For now, I'm going to reset the landscape to as it was. So it's been a great adventure along with you all. Now, see you in GIMP by the next weekend. Goodbye.